Now we will see the epithelium. Epithelium is one or more layer of cell which covers body surface or the luminal surface of internal cavities or the tubular structure. Epithelia are classified as simple or the stratified. Simple means single layer cell, and depending upon the shape of the cell it may be of various type. First type we will see is the simple squamous epithelium. This is the slide of lung. Alveoli are seen. These are the lung alveoli lined by simple squamous epithelium. See, this is the each cell, simple squamous epithelium. Cells are flattened. This dark color is the nuclei, which is flattened nuclei and forms bulging of the cell over the surface. These are all alveoli which are lined by the simple squamous lining. Its function in the lung is exchange of gases. Means squamous means flat cell having width is more than the height of the cell, and nucleus is flattened nuclei which forms bulging over the cell surface. This is the simple cuboidal epithelium. Slide is of thyroid gland. See, this is the thyroid follicle lined by simple cuboidal epithelium. Cuboidal means height and width of the cell are equal, and nucleus are rounded. See, these are the rounded nucleus and they are placed in the center of the cell. This is the lining of the thyroid follicle is having the simple cuboidal epithelium. Its function here is the secretion.
Yes.
This is the slide of stomach. Third epithelium we are seeing is the simple columnar epithelium. This is lumen and this is the mucosa of the stomach, which is lined by simple columnar epithelium. This is low power. Now we will see it on high power.
Yes.
See, we focus this simple columnar epithelium on high power. This is the gastric mucosa. This is luminal surface. These are the simple columnar cells. Height of the cell is more than the width of the cell, and nuclei you can see dark shape. These are oval nuclei and they are placed at the base of the cell, and its apical part is seen empty. This is the apical part containing the granules, and this function of this cell is mainly secretion. See, simple columnar epithelium, basal oval cell nuclei, and the height of the cell is more than the width of the cell.
Yes.
See, this is the again simple columnar epithelium lining the small intestine. These are all villi. This is the lumen, and these are the columnar cell with nuclei oval shape at the base. This is to show that here you can see the striated border. See, these are the microscopic microvilli are seen here, and this is forming the striation over the epithelium. This is called the striated simple columnar epithelium of the small intestine. Columnar. This is the slide of epididymis. Lining cells are columnar again, and here you can see many stereocilia. See, these are the stereocilia, which are the specific feature of the cell, which are nothing but branch long microvilli, which is meant for the increasing the surface area for absorption. This is again the cell lining are the columnar cell, simple columnar epithelium with stereocilia lining of epididymis. After simple epithelium, this is the slide of trachea. It is lined by pseudostratified columnar epithelium. They are ciliated in nature. This pseudostratification means actual single layer of cell is there, but as nuclei are placed at different level, they gives impression of pseudostratification. This is the lumen side, This is the pseudostratified ciliated columnar epithelium. This is on the low power. We will see it on high power. This is pseudostratified ciliated columnar epithelium on high power of trachea. This is lumen side. This is the epithelium. See, some nuclei are at base and some are at near the apex. That's why it gives the impression of double layer, but it is not the double layer stratified layer. It is the single layer. Due to placement of nuclei at different level, it gives impression of stratification. That's why this epithelium is called pseudostratified columnar epithelium. Also, these are bearing cilia. Cilia are meant for the passing of mucus coated foreign particle towards the pharynx. After pseudostratified columnar epithelium, we will see the stratified squamous epithelium. Stratified layer means many layers are there. This is the lining of esophagus. This is lumen and this is the lining of esophagus. Lining is stratified squamous non-keratinized. Stratification is seen. Basal cells are columnar, middle cells are polyhedral and surface cells are squamous. That's why this lining is called stratified squamous, and it is no keratin over the surface. That's why it is non-keratinized epithelium. This is on low power. We will see it on the high power. Same slide of esophagus. We mounted it on high power. See, this is the stratification. This is squamous stratified non-keratinized epithelium. See, basal cells are columnar, having the nuclei oval, middle are polyhedral cell, rounded nuclei, and surface cell layers are squamous and they are having flattened nuclei. This stratification is seen, and this is of squamous of the superior layer or the surface layer. That's why this is called stratified squamous and non-keratinized epithelium lining the esophagus. Stratified squamous keratinized epithelium. This is the surface side and it is present in the skin. This is the slide of skin on high power. See the stratification. Basal cells are columnar with having oval nuclei. Middle cells are polyhedral cell and surface cells are stratified. You can see the flattened nuclei which are lying over the surface layer cell. Also you can see keratinization is there. Keratin material is lying down over the surface. This is so epithelium is called stratified squamous keratinized epithelium lining the skin. Keratin purpose is to keep the moistness or prevent the dehydration of these layers, which is exposed layer towards the surface. Of stratified nature is the transitional epithelium. This is the lumen side. This is the slide of the urinary bladder, which is lined by transitional epithelium. Transitional means it is having ability to stretch, that is contract and relax. That's why it is called transitional epithelium. See, from the basal side, basal cells are columnar having oval nuclei. Middle cells are polyhedral, and see here superficial cells are umbrella shape. Umbrella shape means columnar, polyhedral or the pear shaped cell, and the surface cells are umbrella shaped cells. See, the nuclei sometimes are in mitotic division. By nucleus nature of the cell will be seen. Two nuclei here seen towards the surface. These umbrella cells having capacity to stretch. Also they lie down the glycoprotein layer over the epithelium, which prevents the toxic effect of urine present in the urinary bladder to the underneath cells. So this is the transitional epithelium which is lying the urinary bladder.